So we're seeing, I think, a global change in the way people prefer to approach education. Technology has enabled a lot of things. And when we think of a traditional approach of teaching person to person, I find personally, and I think a lot of other people do also, sometimes it's difficult to focus for 8 hours straight or for 4 hours straight with a break in the middle or however a training happens. More than that, I think I'm a terrible note taker. And I think most people are when they don't know what information is going to be important to them in the future. So to have a one-on-one tutorial that you can click on, I want to figure out Ethernet right now, I want to figure out activations, I want to figure out industrial software, shared folders, working with a team this is a brain outside of your brain. It's quick access to the knowledge that you're looking for. And there's no way you can get that from an in-person course. Sometimes you walk away with a booklet full of notes, and at best there's a table of contents there and you can page through again and sort of refresh your mind on the exercises that you did in class. But I think to be able to have that demo again right now in 5 minutes, I think that's incredibly valuable. That's like fast memory access that you don't have to spend extra neurons on. So I was thinking about this and it occurred to me how closed we are with our learned knowledge. And if you compare it to any other software related industry, you look at PCs, at mobile development, at servers or websites, there's a forum post for every conceivable thing anyone's ever done in a program. And there are 10 examples where people unpaid have put together an example just to teach other people how to do what they've already learned how to do. And I think that's great, but we don't have that in industry. Right now, people will learn the simplest thing the hard way and then take it with them to the grave, because the more they know that other people don't know, the more perceived value there is in their time and in their efforts for programming or whatever projects they work on. And so I really want to put together something that is a way of sharing information so that people can learn something once and, one person learns it the hard way and then shares it with other people, and now everyone can benefit from that.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information about our engineering services, check out breenmachine.com. For more information about our training services, check out courses.breenmachine.com. Links are in the comments below.